This is question number 10. Figure 2 shows a manometer being used to indicate the difference in pressure between 2 points in a pipe. Calculate PA minus PB. So this is point A, this is point A, and this is point B. So the height between these 2 points is 1.8 meters. So and then we have an oil from this level to this level, and the difference of these two levels is 0.9 meter. So this is the oil here has specific gravity of 0.9. So we could calculate. So we need to calculate what is PA minus PB. So we start our calculation like this one. So because we could draw a line here, so we could say that pressure at A here is equal to the pressure at B. So and then the pressure at C here. So the pressure of C, it is consists of this rho GH, and then plus with the pressure on point D. So and then for point B here, if we could draw a line here, we could say that pressure at point B here is equal to pressure at point F. So and then the pressure of point F can be calculated by using the rho GH of this height plus the rho GH of the 0.9 meter and plus the pressure that acts on point E. Okay, so and then we have difficulties here because we have 4 unknown points. So but the pressure at point E and point D, actually if we draw a line like this, so we could say that it is fulfill the idea of Pascal paradox line. So and then the pressure at point number E here is equal to the pressure at point D. So we could have this equation, these two equations. So and then we have PE equal to PD. So and then we could substitute, we could use these three equations, and then we could solve the problem of PA minus PB, and it is equal to 18.54 kilopascal.